Alright, so this is a quick video to show how to set up Zoom on your Google Calendar. You should already have a Zoom account and a Google account from CIC. So for this demonstration, I've created a fake Google account and a fake Zoom account, and we'll be showing you how to connect them. You can see my fake Zoom account here and my fake regular account here. If I go to my calendar, it's actually a notification right here that I have this available, but we'll ignore that for the moment. Let's say I want to create a new event. So you'll see here that it automatically is going to let you add a Google Meet account. But if you click on that drop down, there's a Zoom Meetings option. It's going to require that you authorize. Choose an account from CIC to connect to Zoom. So I'm choosing my Google account. It's going to let you know that Zoom is going to have access to these settings. This has been approved by CIT, so it's not a problem. Login required. This is all stuff we only have to do once, so don't worry about that. And now we're going to be connecting the other way from Zoom to Google. Allow this app to share my access permissions. Authorize. Confirm. It says success. We can close this. And there we go. It automatically added a new Zoom meeting to this event. Now, just to prove that that is just a one-time thing, if I'm going to create another event tomorrow, same time, and I select from the drop-down Zoom meeting, it'll now automatically add a new Zoom meeting, and I hit save. Now, if for whatever reason your Zoom and your Google account get disconnected, you may have to go through that process again, but for now it's very simple. Just a drop down and click Zoom. If we take a look at our Zoom meetings, we see we already have these in our list of Zoom meetings, and you can edit the settings from here if you like. That is the end of this video. Thank you.